Huwag kalimutan
mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and now we are going to solve this Banana Twisty Puzzle, also known as Banana Cube. Okay, if you know how to solve the 2 by 2 by 3 cuboid, okay, you will also be able to solve this banana cube, because it is also a 2 by 2 by 3. Okay, it's the same as the cuboid. Okay, so now we are going to jumble it. Now we can solve it. Okay, so we will begin on the bottom side, on this lower side. Okay, this one. So we need to find the other piece like this one. Okay, and put it here. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, now so this we will place it here. Okay, just place it directly on top of this one. Okay, now to place this piece here, okay, just do this algorithm: R2 U R2 U prime R2. Okay, it's done. Next, we need to do this side. Okay, we need to bring this up. Okay, then we must place this one here with the proper orientation. Okay, so just do this algorithm: R2 U R2 U prime R2. Okay, it's done. Next, we will do the other side. So we need to find the other piece. It's here. Okay, so we will place this piece here. So just place this directly on top of this one. Okay, then to place this piece here, just do this algorithm: R2 U R2 U prime R2. Okay, it's done. Okay, so the first layer is done. Now we will do the third layer. Okay, these two pieces are fixed, so we will place it on the left side like this one. Okay, now we need to swap these two. In order to swap these two, hold it like this and do this algorithm: R2 U R2 U prime R2 U prime D R2 U prime R2 U R2. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, next we'll just turn this. Okay, now we will do the second layer. This is the first layer, second layer, and the third layer. First, second, third. So we will do the second layer, the middle layer. Okay, I think we just have to turn this. Okay, but it is not flush. See, it is not flush. So we need to make it flush. In order to make this flush, just do this algorithm: R2 U2 R2 U2. R2. Okay, then just turn this.
D2.
Okay, now it is flush. Okay, okay, it's done. Here's a case when we need to swap these two. Okay, so in order to swap these two, just hold it like this and do this algorithm. R2, U2, R2, U2, R2, U2. Okay, now it is not flush, so we have to make it flush. To do that, just follow this algorithm. R2, U2, R2, U2, R2. Now just turn this.
D2.
Okay, so now it is flush. Okay, they are all flush. Okay, it's done.
So, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.